This is the 2-inch quick repair coupler by Dawn. I'm going to show you the install of it here. I will let you know I have never installed one of these before. I typically use telescoping couplings, but let's get to it. I marked on one side of the damage section I guess these are good for bridging the gap and making sure that so if it was a small gash or whatever, this one was kind of borderline, so I think I need to make it longer. But they secure the pipe totally, so they're not going to expand, and that's a lot of people's big beef with a telescoping coupler. They think they expand once they are installed. I think if you install them with direction, they're fine. But always nice to have different options. Show you this, the quick repair coupling here. As you notice, I am wearing gloves, which is proper PPE. Some of these solvents can be pretty bad for the human system. So I know somebody will chime in and be a tough guy and saying that I don't need it, but PPE. So if I had just the damage section, and I'm going to mark on this right where I want to cut. It's about like 8 to 10 inches of repair space it will give you. Telescoping coupler would be a little bit farther. I think I could have got away with that. But the one thing I don't know is how that on this side, this part isn't primed. Like, so I can prime here, push it back, prime here. Gloves also help you deburr the pipe without cutting your hands. I know you're sloppy with the primer. Okay, whatever. No big deal. So extend that and twist. Put it on the damaged section of pipe and twist. Be able to extend the other side backwards. Prime the inside of this. See, what I'm saying is this section inside doesn't get primed. Twist done. Get my shovel to kind of secure it where I want. And that's the Dawn's quick coupling for you. We'll just gotta wait and turn the water back on.